Go.
Just gonna beach it.
Yep. Smartest fucking. Oh, there's children in there.
Oh.
Oh, fuck me.
Get them off.
Oh, those
Run.
poor fucking children.
Oh my god. Ah, scariest moment of your life.
Oh, and that Nautilus is fucking beached.
That other one. Ski nautique.
There's nothing
Oh
Oh my god.
That's not.
Oh, these poor people.
That was scary. I didn't even know there was kids on there.
Oh.
There's a bunch of people on that. And that other boat beached itself.
Yep.
There's nobody even driving that one.
They need to just fucking leave them.
Abandoned ship.
Except we can't have them rock together, but...
Oh, they're about to ram into each other, too.
Oh. Don't try to push off, dude. That's a Malibu.
That kid is never going to want to go on a boat again.
Oh, those poor kids.
Oh, my God. Oh, that thing's getting beat up.
Better than lives.
Yeah,
oh,
better than
please
dying.
Don't try to push off.
Yeah, dude.
And they do all have life jackets on, thank
That's
God.
good. He's dropping an anchor right there.
Oh, look at all that water coming out of the village. Oh, just get off, dude.
Oh, dude, don't crush your foot.
Right? Let whatever's gonna happen, happen. Yeah, he's trying to pull that anchor.
Dude, you're gonna fucking crush your foot under that boat.
Oh my God. Look at that green and black boat. Oh, it's being fucking hammered.
That thing. I don't even know the owner's there. I think just like.
I mean, I guess it's better on shore than it is floating out in the middle of the lake. I don't know.
Oh, that's hard to say.
Look at those children. Oh.
Poor little guy.
I'm so devastated for them. They're literally never going to get on the water ever again.
Traumatized for life.